What's up guys and welcome back to my channel. Welkom terug. Yo, ik lijk soos huis. I look like home, like damn. What's up guys and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Welkom terug. Welcome back. Hoe I'm Kile. Thank you so much for tuning in. And I hope you guys are still safe and home and bored. I know, definitely some of y'all. But we all find things to do during this time. So I chose to be productive, but there are days that I feel not so productive, but I say it's productive because it's productive. Like sleeping can be productive. You're getting your beauty sleep, rest for when you should be productive and all of that good stuff. So however you choose to use your time, do so productively. Anyway, thank you. So today I decided to make my own hair gel. I kind of ran out of products and I'm not quite sure if the shops will open that section for essentials. So I just said that I'm gonna just make my own hair gel for now. And I've been wanting to like try making my own hair gel, but it took me forever to actually get to it. So here we are, attempting it right about now. So oh yeah, and the products that I'll be using is all stuff that I suppose you will have, and if not, it's quite easy to get. And also the seeds that I'm using forms part of essentials. So should you not have seeds and need those seeds, you can always just run to the store, or when you go for your essentials, you can just go get some of those seeds and get yourself going. Let's get into it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yo, I've been doing this like, oh, it's been a while. So ik hakel nog wel eens going on. But hey, let's go. Let's do this. Okay, so what you will need is a spoon, a scissor, an empty container that your gel is going in, some flax seeds. I had an expired one there, which we're not going to use, so your up-to-date flaxseed, some stockings, a measuring cup, and a pot. So starting off on medium to high heat, I'm just adding about 600 milliliters of water to the pot, and you can eyeball this should you want to do that. Then going on and adding whole flax seeds. I eyeballed this, but should you want to measure it, it's a little more than a quarter cup of flax seeds. So you just then add that to the pot and then give it a nice stir just to make sure everything is nice and wet, and then let it boil. Okay, so as you guys can see, my pot it's not very vigorous because I kept it on a medium heat because I was so scared that it might turn out like it turned out the last time, which was an epic fail. So I rather played it safe and kept it on a medium heat. That's about on a 4. So then what I do is I give it like a stir in between just to see if you get that mucus line, and then let it boil, and then just check on it until you see that mucus line. Okay, so once you have that mucus line, and it's according to the consistency that you want, you can take your pot off the heat and let it sit for about 30 minutes to an hour, allowing it to thicken up and get a nice jelly consistency. So you can have it sit for as long as you'd like, but 30 minutes to an hour should be perfect. I wanted a more jelly consistency, so my 30-minute to 40-minute mark was enough. Look at that jelly. So grabbing a large cup or holder and just placing the stockings over it, and then pouring all that flaxseed gel into it. You can use anything, stockings or some mesh, anything that would just enable you to squeeze all that jelly through there. And also a larger cup for the jelly.
Oh my God!
After that, we'll just use a nice and large pot, taking the stockings with the gel, and we'll be using our hands to just squeeze all that gel out through the stockings. I use the pot here because then I can get as messy as I want to and it's not as restricted. So you can squeeze it nice and you won't have any burns because at this point the gel is nice and cold from cooling off and sitting in the pot. Also, if you see that your gel is a bit too thick to come through your stockings, you can just take a little bit of water, add it to the pot and loosen up that gel a little bit, and all's good. Now I wanted a more jelly loose type of gel, so as you guys can see, jelly baby, jelly. Once the process is done, you can fill your container and voila. So that concludes our DIY flaxseed hair gel. I truly hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys are tempted, please let me know. Show me. I'm very interested in knowing, like, did it work, did it not work? Because guys, I struggled. Like, whew. It's easy, but it's also not so. Because the seeds, like, yeah, the seeds. Let's just say so. So let me know, and also comment down below like what hairstyles I should like do with it, like to test it out. Maybe a wash and go, a nice flaxy rod, flex, hey, flexi rod set, or braid out, twist out. You guys let me know. Sleek bun, high bun, hot cross bun. Yeah, let me know. So, thank you guys for watching and bye.